And so it begins. Lockdown number 2. Day 1. It's Saturday. The lockdown have already begun. And today the coronavirus cases so the combined 6,098 coronavirus cases, combining Friday's Good Friday's cases and today's cases. So Friday there were 3,089, and Saturday there's 3,009. Well, today, and so this is the highest combined 2 days virus count today, cases today and yesterday. So looking at Toronto Star right now. So 954 high cases are from Toronto. So Toronto's in the deep water right now. 434 is from Peel region. 348 is from York region. 205 is from Ottawa. And 146 is from Hamilton. So 39, looking at global, so 39 deaths have been reported for the past few days, yesterday and today. So, which is 23 from Friday and 16 today. Which brings me to explaining everything. So I will break it down. So the lockdown is basically happening starting tomorrow. So it's from today to April 23rd at 11:59 p.m. So it lasts for 4 weeks. If you haven't already marked your calendar, I suggest you do. So, first day is April 3rd. Final day is April 23rd. And starting April 24th, we might be going back to color zones. Depending. But I have a feeling that we might be having extended. It might be extended because it could happen. So, it's similar to the rules are similar to the lockdown on December 26th, and also the gray zone rules. So I'm just going to break it down for you. So dining is closed. So takeout, drive-through, and delivery options only. Okay, that's straightforward. Gray zone rules. So driving school, I believe it's only virtual classes. I don't know how that works. Gambling is not available. Cinemas, movie theaters, and performing arts facilities are closed. No live audience for film and television production. So staff require protective equipment. Makeup specialists have to have protective gear on, and singers and musicians need a special barrier. Pre-post and post-production is allowed. Outdoor golf is allowed. Clubhouse and houses and indoor facilities are closed. So hotels, motels, resorts, and students' residents are open, but amenities must close. So short-term rentals are allowed at these places. So trailers and RVs are allowed on campgrounds on full season contracts. So amenities like clothes, so only washrooms and showers are available for use. So veterinary services are open. Kennels, stables, shelters, and training of animals and pet grooming, sitting, and walking, and training is available. They're allowed to run. So household services can operate. Nannies, babysitters, and whatnot, and also people fixing up homes and such and renovations. Those services can also operate. Libraries are only for same rules. Curbside pickup and delivery only, and permitted services like photocopy, printing, and sometimes and using the computer is this differs per library. If they permit it, they'll let you in. If they don't permit it, yeah, you'll. So meetings there are only for childcare, court and governmental services, collective bargaining, mental health and addiction support, and with a maximum of 10 people inside at a time. Nightclubs and strip clubs must only provide food and drinks, and they follow restaurant rules. Takeout, drive-through, delivery. I know it's kind of weird, right? So personal care services are closed until further notice. They were saying they were gonna open it for gray zone in regions in April 12th, but that got canceled. So I'm assuming they're probably gonna move it to May or when it sort of gets safe. So commercial and industrial photography is only available. Sorry, no retail photography though. Real estate. If you want to book a real estate appointment, you have to do it over the phone appointment. And health services are available. Chiropractors like doctors, the dentist, and schools are open. And April break will commence. Post-secondary in classes will only be for medical and trades, and those classes that only you can do in class, but the rest is only available through online classes. Sorry, but it is what it is. It's a sacrifice we're doing. So supermarkets, convenience stores, pharmacies, and these places selling groceries must cap at 50%. Non-essential businesses that must cap at 25%. Cannabis stores are also capped at 25%. Any cannabis users, if you wanna, if you want to find it, yeah, that's the capacity. So most likely you'll have to wait. So malls must screen all patrons, no loitering. Malls and shops with cap at all shops at malls must cap at 25%. Indoor events and social gatherings are banned except for those from the same household. So yeah. So outdoor events and social gatherings are capped at 5 people at maximum. Weddings, funerals, and religious services are at 15% cap. And while outdoors is there is no limit. as long as people are social distancing 2 meters away from each other. So virtual and driving services are allowed. I've been to one, so yeah, I know how it works. So gyms are closed, and fitness places are only limited to if you're a professional athlete training for the NFL, NHL, NBA, or like the football, soccer, or sport, the Olympics, the Paralympics, and those with disabilities are also allowed in. So outdoor amenities, like parks and recreation parks and yeah, like those activities. It those will stay open as long as people follow coronavirus safety rules. So as long as you're staying you're social distancing from other people, they'll stay open. So washrooms, first aid, and equipment storage is available for these places. But what my biggest concern is tomorrow's Easter. Easter, though, of course, Christian, it's a Christian celebrated holiday, but some companies have turned it in like marketing for selling Easter eggs and Easter egg hunts, and so I mean those are fun, but it's not originated with that actual Christian culture, so so those that please do not have any gatherings for Easter tomorrow or on Monday. Because you know what? The last holiday where people screwed it up was St. Patrick's Day, which literally was weeks ago. So, which some Western university students did not follow the coronavirus safety rules, and they got London, Ontario, and the London Middlesex region coronavirus cases to go up. While some Fanshawe College and Western University students, they went out or stayed home, and they did follow the coronavirus safety rules and regulation. They played it smart. And then also there's the Wilfrid Laurier University. Some students they had a party, and yeah, they really ruined it for Waterloo region and Waterloo, Ontario. So you see what happens when people have parties and or like large gatherings, and so at least the health units had found that there was at least coronavirus cases and there was like some UK variants, the cause of this lockdown. So yeah, I know it sucks that we have to do this lockdown thing, but you get like some people, they acted like it was nothing, and then the coronavirus cases was increasing gradually. UK variants cases were literally going through the roof right now. I don't know, they didn't show it, but the last few days, but I have an estimate that the UK variants are probably over 2,000. That's my guess. Because last time it was 1,925. That close. And yesterday, then today's coronavirus cases are both 300 plus. That for danger zone. So we are really in the danger zone right now. We have to go through another lockdown. So I don't know about what Dr. Peter Juni said and Dr. Abdul Sharkoi, but I think another lockdown might happen. So this is definitely probably not going to be the last lockdown we're going to be experiencing. So people, please join in. Please cooperate. Please avoid having gatherings this Easter, Only celebrate with those in your household, like you did last year. And that's why we didn't have high cases during Easter last year, when coronavirus sort of kicked up. So please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations. Wear a mask. Wash your hands with water and soap. Sanitize your hands. Whenever you enter a business or especially a supermarket, or I've been doing it for the last and also keep 2 meters away from other people, and especially if you're lining up to go in a business or like someplace, public place, building, lineups, keep your mask on at all times. Social distancing of stay 2 meters away from or 6 feet away from others at all times. Because some people still couldn't understand that rule. And now also follow lockdown rules, because because certainly if a small outbreak happens in like a one part of a area, and it literally could spread into the entire region, and then to the entire other region, and then entire Ontario. It's going to affect all of us. So please avoid having gatherings in large numbers. Do it not just for your family, not just for your friends, not just for the community, but for the region, everyone in the region, but literally everyone in Ontario, and also everyone in other provinces and Canada, because Ontario isn't the only province going into lockdown. I think other provinces are also going on lockdown. Please check the news. I think yeah. Yeah, because it's getting worse. So the premiers did what they had to do. Lockdown time. So stay safe. Welcome to lockdown. Lockdown 2.